Welcome to the best part of the day. What is going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Manny. Welcome to a brand new video. Feeling good. As you guys saw, just did my recovery for my legs. I had a game on Sunday, and I had a leg training on Friday, so you know my legs were toast for that game. So had to get in the recovery. Felt good. I feel like it really does help me, that air compression. That's why I keep doing it, along with stretching and rolling out and all that stuff. I feel like it's really important to recover for your body. I personally don't enjoy being sore, so I try to take care of my body and the soreness as fast as I can and the best way that I can, and that's through that air compression and through stretching, rolling out lacrosse balls and all that stuff. So feeling good. Today's Tuesday. We got a push day, chest, tricep, shoulders. Pretty excited, looking forward to it. I already drank my creatine. I'm already hydrating. I'm already drinking my water from my hydro flask, which is somewhere over there. Pretty excited, feeling good, everything. Hopefully we have a great week this week, and I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. I don't really have too much to say right now, but I'll see you guys at the gym. I'm gonna get a few clips for you guys, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Welcome to the new video. post gym. Let me grab my water really fast, cause post gym workout session, that was probably one of the hardest cardio sessions I've had in a long time. I was trying to get through it. I got through it, obviously, as you guys saw. I did my 30 minutes and I was very mad at the end of it because it was so annoying, but I'm glad I stuck with it. I stayed committed to what I wanted to do. I said 30 minutes cardio and I didn't let off until the 30-minute mark hit, so I'm very proud of myself for that. Just goes to show, my legs were giving out. My legs were cooked. That's why I was having such a hard time with it. My legs were giving out. They were feeling so tired, and I wanted to, at like 21 minutes, I was like, you know what? I was like trying to talk myself out of not doing 30 minutes, and fortunately I did do 30 minutes. But it was a mental battle, along with like my legs being tired as hell. So my calves were burning, my legs were burning. They were like, I feel like they were disconnecting, like the Bluetooth signal was gone. So that was very tough for me, but it felt very good to complete. Once I finished, I was very mad. I was pissed. Like, I was like, I hate cardio. I don't know why I do this, but the overall bigger picture why we do cardio is to be in better shape and to try to achieve a more aesthetically pleasing physique. So I wasn't thinking that while I was on the machine. I just wanted to be over with, but yes, glad I stuck through it. Feeling really good. As you guys saw, I was able to throw, I think it was like I'm pretty sure I could throw 2 plates on my incline on the first movement that you guys saw. Felt really good in the beginning, and then my second set with the incline dumbbell, as you guys saw, I had a 60-pound dumbbells, which, to be honest, when I picked them up, I only grabbed them because the 55-pound dumbbells weren't there. Like, everyone was using the dumbbells, so I grabbed those, and I was walking back to the bench, and I was like, I don't even know if this is gonna go up. But the first set I was able to get them up for 10 reps, and then the second set 6, and then the third and final set 6 reps again. So the strength is going up. We are staying consistent, so it's good to see that mentally, because it's like, all right, we're heading in the right direction, we're feeling good, the strength is going up. And yeah, overall I felt very solid with the workout today. And yeah, couldn't drink my water. It's freaking late. It's like 12:06 right now, so I'm probably gonna be heading to bed soon. I appreciate you. This sounds like I'll be heading to bed soon. Drink some water, finish up my water, so we can stay hydrated and have a solid workout. Get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday. There's supposed to be a winter storm watch here in Colorado, in Denver, Colorado. So hopefully not, because I hate the snow. But we'll see. It's supposed to be from Wednesday to Friday. Wednesday night to Friday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. So I guess we'll both find out once it comes. What is going on, YouTube family? It's been a minute. It's been a while. Today is Thursday, March 21st. So I guess we can say the winter storm was kind of bad. I didn't even bother picking up the camera. So yeah, been feeling really good. I want to apologize for not having a video out this Saturday, and I also want to apologize if it's kind of echoey in here. I'm kind of in my little workspace corner, so I guess I'll check the audio in a little bit. So yeah, been feeling really good though. Yeah, I didn't upload a video because I've been working on another project that I have. It's like my wallpaper pack, so if you guys want to go ahead and support me there, I'll leave the link down in the description below. It's basically just like created wallpapers for your iPhone to use on your iPhone. So yeah, have that in multiple colors so you guys can choose, but I sell them in packs. So yeah, that is that. I kind of just spaced it all out because I was a little too excited about that. So yeah, back to recording and stuff. I won't forget a video this Sunday, as you guys are probably seeing it on Sunday. But yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I don't have much else to say. It's like 12:30 right now, so we're gonna go to the gym later today. Today's Thursday 21st, and yeah, back in bicep day, one of my favorite days, as you guys know. I'm excited to go and train because, to be honest, I've been a big lazy slacker. So much for trying to be consistent, but it's all right. We can always start over it's just annoying to start over. But yeah, remembering the overall goal, yeah, been feeling pretty good. I want to let you guys know, I tried out a backpack the last time you guys saw me work out, and I was not a fan of it. I prefer my duffel bag a lot more than I do the backpack because I carry more stuff than I realized, and I was kind of just cramming stuff into the backpack. The backpack was like overfilling, and I don't like that look, so sticking with the duffel bag. I don't think I'll change. The only thing I am kind of like bummed about is that my duffel bag is too big. I chose the biggest size because I swore I carried a lot of things, but I could have gone with the size smaller and still would have been fine, and I think it would have been easier to carry. I showed you guys my weigh-in, 186 on the dot. Fairly consistent, I want to say. So I've been chilling in these whole 3 months. I've been chilling in between 187 and 185, I guess we can say. I'm looking at my notes right here. So 187, 185. I think there is a little bit of difference in the physique overall. As you guys know, I've been taking pictures of my progress photos, so I can see the difference. Even though the scale isn't changing too much, I do see some difference, some more definition. I do see like the love handles part coming in a little more, so that's very good. That's why you can't always just believe the scale, because the scale shows like I'm not really dropping that much, but if you take a look at the pictures, there is some differences that you can see. So that's why I always recommend you guys take pictures along with recording your weigh-ins, so you have 2 forms of seeing your progress. If there is any progress, or if there isn't any progress, you can help yourself identify them, see what works, see what doesn't work. Honestly, I haven't been doing much changing. Haven't been doing anything crazy like dieting. Like, I'm not on a strict diet or anything. I still eat pretty freely. I do enjoy eating food, and I slowly want to taper it down just so my physique looks a lot better overall, especially with the summer days coming in. So yeah, I completely forgot I was going to talk about my weight, but there you guys go, and I'll see you guys later. All right, well, as you guys saw, I was at the Rapids game. It's kind of bright, and unfortunately we lost because the Rapids aren't the best team. Kind of suck, but lost in the last minute, so that's a little bit heartbreaking, but nonetheless, had a really good time. I really do enjoy going to those things, so that's where I'm gonna wrap this up here. So it was a tough week this week, but we got through it, and just want to thank you guys a lot for watching. I appreciate you guys if you made it this far into the video, and I'm very, very thankful for you guys if you guys watched the videos and all that stuff. So thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys up on the next one. Bye.